Once upon a time, deep beneath the shimmering waves of Kingston, Jamaica, there existed a hidden realm, an ancient city called Atlanteon. This city was ruled by two powerful gods, Sophia and Everil, whose presence kept the balance between land and sea. Sophia, the goddess of the ocean's heart, was known for her radiant dark bronze skin that shimmered like the sunlit waters. Her curly afro hair was crowned with tiny shells and pearls, symbolizing her deep connection to the sea. She was gentle yet fierce, her voice carrying the soothing rhythm of waves crashing on the shore. Everil, the god of the land and storms, shared her dark bronze skin and equally curly afro hair, which he often adorned with leaves and small stones. His strength was legendary, and his laughter echoed like thunder during storms. Though mighty, he was compassionate, guiding the rivers and mountains with wisdom. One day, a strange disturbance rippled through Atlanteon. The waters grew restless, and heavy clouds gathered over the city. Sophia and Everil sensed an imbalance, an ancient force awakening that threatened to upset the harmony of their realm. They knew they had to work together to restore peace. Sophia summoned the power of the ocean, calling forth a majestic wave that glowed with bioluminescent light. Everil, with his stormy energy, summoned gusts of wind and lightning to calm the turbulent waters. As they combined their powers, a magnificent whirl of water and wind danced through the city, illuminating the grayish skies. In the heart of this storm, they discovered the source of the disturbance, a fragment of an ancient crystal buried deep beneath the sea, awakening after centuries. Recognizing the crystal's importance, Sophia gently cradled it in her hands, while Everil used his strength to secure it in a safe place, far from harm. With their combined efforts, the balance was restored. The sea calmed, and the storm clouds dispersed, revealing a sky filled with stars. The people of Kingston, though unaware of the gods' heroism beneath the waves, felt a renewed sense of peace and hope. From that day on, Sophia and Everil continued to watch over their realm, their bond symbolizing the harmony between land and sea. And whenever the waves crash gently against Kingston's shores or the thunderstorms roll across the sky, the people remember the mighty Atlantean gods, curly-haired guardians of their island, dark bronze, shiny skin and radiant as the sun, forever protecting their home. And so, under the Caribbean stars, their legend lives on, an eternal story of balance, strength, happiness, and love.